You're going to need an 11 or 12-inch balloon and a 260 twisting balloon in a similar colour. It doesn't have to be exact, but it's preferable if the colour is similar. Just fold your twisting balloon in half and poke that into the round balloon. If you're struggling to slip that into the round balloon, you can use a chopstick just to push that in a little bit further. Next, you're going to need either an electric inflator or a hand pump to inflate the round balloon. So we're just inflating the round balloon at the moment. Okay, so just insert the nozzle of your pump into the round balloon and then inflate. So I think that was around 25 strokes of the hand pump. So you're looking for around about a 7-inch balloon. So trap the air in the round balloon and put your hand pump onto the nozzle of the twisting balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 strokes of the hand pump. Twist the neck. That's going to trap the air. And then pull the nozzle end of the twisting balloon. Okay. And then pull the tip end of the twisting balloon, and you want to pull that tip end. That tip end is going to need to pull through quite a bit, okay? And then when you've got quite a bit of slack here, take both of your ends of your twisting balloon and pull them outwards. It doesn't matter if air is escaping from the round balloon, and then tie the 2 ends of your twisting balloon together, okay? So this is what you've got, and as the balloon deflates, you can push the sides together. You may need to just whittle the nozzle of your round balloon as you do so. So just push the sides together, okay? And make another one of these. So these are going to be the tails of our bows, and I'm going to grasp hold of one and just twist it, okay? So I'm twisting this hand away from myself, and it's just going to put a gentle curve. But I want the other side to be a mirror image, so I need to twist in a different direction. So I'm just going to get hold and twist in a different direction, okay? Okay, hold your balloon here, and as the balloon deflates, push downwards, okay? So you want to push that 260 down inside your round balloon, but we need that round balloon to deflate a little bit more. So I'm just going to adjust the neck, let the air out, and then push this downwards, okay? Next, take a straw and insert that into the round balloon, okay? And we're going to use this to extract the air. I also like to just snip off the tip of that 260. You need to be very quick doing this next stage. So you'll need to suck on the end of the straw, and then as soon as you've done that, take the straw out very quickly. Otherwise, the air will go back into the balloon. Okay, so very, very quick. And then put a twist in the neck, and then take hold of that 260, wrap it around the neck of the round balloon, and just tie that into a knot. So you can play around with that shape, whether you want this a little bit more pronounced and forward, or whether you want it pushed back a little bit. It's entirely a matter of choice. If you find there's a little bit of bagginess there, you can just pull it round a little bit and adjust the latex towards the back. Tie the ends together. And then tie the ends of your 2 loops together. And then twist everything together at the centre. I'm inflating a 5-inch balloon with 1 stroke of the hand pump. So I put a twist in the neck and inflate another one like this. And I'm going to create a split duplet with one of these balloons. So I'm putting my hands either side of the knot, and I'm going to twist in opposite directions. So this hand's going to twist this way, that hand's going to twist that way, okay? So grasp hold. You need to be firm and twist, okay? And then take the neck and wrap it around a few times. So you've got this split duplet, okay? So just hold the centre between your little finger and your next finger. Okay, hang on to that. Your split duplet is going to go on the back and your round balloon is going to go at the front. So just pull that into the centre and wrap the neck around. And then on the back, place your split duplet and pass the knot and nozzle around the split, okay? These bubbles are going to hold the loops and the tails in place. Let's just arrange everything. If you'd like to see ways you can use this bow, check out this video next, and please do like and subscribe.